Makes me feel whole. Makes me feel me.
Actor Amanda Seyfried came to me knowing a great deal about her mother's roots, but her father's family tree was a blank slate. We built it out, tracing back to Amanda's third great-grandfather, a man named John Peter Ebert. John immigrated to the United States as a young boy, and in the 1860 census for Pennsylvania, we saw that he eventually found work as a baker. We also saw that he had been born in Württemberg, a state in southern Germany. And this proved to be a goldmine for our researchers, allowing us to trace his family back 7 more generations.
This is great. So long.
Would you please read the name and relationship at the very top?
Simon Ebert, 10th great-grandfather.
Your 10th great-grandfather.
So when was, oh my God, he was 1600s.
He was born 1595.
Wow. They're all Eberts.
It is a straight line through the paper trail. You're one of the few people who can actually trace a branch of your family back to the 16th century. Shakespeare's writing plays.
God.
Over in England.
Oh my God.
In Shakespeare's day, Amanda's ancestors were living in a small town called Grein, which is roughly 1.5 miles from Darsburg, the town where John Ebert the baker would be born 2 centuries later.
Wow.
What's it like to know that you have deep roots in this one place?
It makes me feel very grounded.
Mm-hmm.
A part of something, I guess.
Please turn the page.
This is amazing.
Amanda, this record is the
cool.
oldest primary document we obtained on your entire family tree. Would you please read what we've translated for you?
Simon Ebert, this is insane. Simon Ebert, legitimate son of Hans Ebert of Grein.
Mm-hmm.
Katerina,
yeah.
legitimate daughter of
Ulrich
Monk of Darsburg.
Uh-huh.
Were blessed on May 19th, 1618.
You know what that is?
A marriage certificate?
Yeah, that is your 10th great-grandfather's marriage record from the year 1618. It's over 400 years ago.
How did you find this?
Isn't that?
Oh my God. I mean, you can read it, but it's hard. But it's beautiful.
We now traced Amanda's father's roots back almost 5 centuries in and around these 2 small towns in Germany. And that's as far as the paper trail could take us. But her family likely lived in this area much longer. Indeed, there are settlements near Grein that date to Roman times. And Amanda's ancestors may very well have lived within them. A notion that drew Amanda's thoughts back to her father.
This makes him wide open to me. It just spreads him out. Like picturing him right now, I feel like he's just he's like just grown 8 feet tall. And I think he's gonna be really proud and really interested in hearing everything that I've just learned. But I also feel like it's his story too.
Definitely.
And it's my grandmother's story, and it's like her parents' story, and and it goes on and on and on. It's just like, so I feel like I'm giving them a gift to having received all this information.
Mm-hmm.
And with this incredible research, I feel like I have something to offer them, which is, I mean, I know I have my love to offer, but I also feel like we were so enmeshed in all those family trees on my mom's side that it was fascinating what they found, but there was really nothing. It was a big gaping hole.
Mm-hmm.
And to know that my grandmother is 2 generations closer to Simon and Hans
right.
is just, I don't know, they're kind of glowing in my mind right now.
Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.